Must have Amazon products. This burger press effortlessly creates perfectly shaped patties from beef, vegetables, or any meat, ensuring your homemade burgers are uniform and delicious every time. This is a wall-mounted spice dispenser that keeps your seasonings organized and accessible, helping you save counter space while easily storing spices in removable jars. This is a cheese grater lid with container, perfect for multifunctional kitchen prep with a handy storage box. This is a silicone freezer mold with lids, allowing you to freeze soups, leftovers, and more in convenient one-cup portions. This is the subscribe button. If you click it, you help the channel grow.